So the first thing you need to do when you're looking at a space is you need to decide how many bedrooms and bathrooms the home is gonna have. The typical home in America right now is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, or a 2.5 with an extra half bathroom for your guests and stuff like that. This home is gonna be about 1,800 square feet, and it's going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Typical standard home in America today. This is going to be a bedroom here. So you're gonna have a bedroom, which is kind of a bathroom back in this section. There will be a hallway through here, and then this porch. No, I'm not stepping out on there because I don't want to die and I'd like to finish this rehab, but we're actually going to create a bedroom out of this room that's falling down. So bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom 1, and then in this home we have built a master suite, or will build a master suite back in this section with part of this room, and then behind this wall will be the bathroom and the closet for the master. So 3-bedroom, 2-bath in this home. Secondly, you need to have a living area that's easy to work in, live in, play in, host in. You gotta have living areas that work for people. I love how high all these ceilings are, and you can see all this old wood. It's crazy how well constructed these homes were from 1893. It's nuts. So there's actually gonna be a front door going into a bedroom. That'll probably just be dead bolted closed. It'll probably rarely get used. But we're most likely gonna be vaulting these ceilings. And this room, and then part of the room that's behind this wall here is gonna be the majority of our living area. So we're gonna open this wall completely up. That's gonna be completely gone. So you're gonna have a really large line of sight all the way from the front door to part of this area that's going to be like a computer nook, a reading area back in the back of the house. So you're gonna be able to see a good ways, and with these huge high ceilings, it's gonna feel even larger. And if we vault the ceilings, it's gonna feel even larger. So get your living area size correct. Obviously, kitchens sell homes, kitchens and bathrooms. It's true. It's not allowed on HGTV. People love kitchens and baths. Does your kitchen have enough storage space? What is the orientation of the sink? Is it looking out into a living area, or is it pushed off in a corner? People don't like the kitchens and sinks pushed off in corners, so have them on an island. Have it looking out over a window. I try and find windows, or will even add windows at times, to put my sink so it's got a nice area to work in, to look out in. Another thing that's really important with these homes, especially if it's a smaller home, minimizing hallways and small areas. Usually smaller homes, they have gotten very broken up, or these older homes, there's like a little bathroom that I'm looking at right here. It's a tiny little room, someone put it in there, doesn't work. Make the spaces usable, make them feel spacious, make them feel large. In small homes, again, especially, this home is lucked out. This has got like 12-foot ceilings in it, crazy high. So it already feels nice and spacious, but in some of these older homes, they will actually drop the ceiling for some stupid reason. So push that back up, get as high to the original ceiling as you possibly can. Minimize hallways in small homes. That's just wasted space. If it's just a hallway, it's okay. In a large home, sure, you can hide the doors behind a wall. In a small home, have the doors open and accessible to the main living area. You will minimize these hallways that really serve no function, and you just cannot afford to have them in a small home. Another thing is important, closets. As many walk-in closets as you possibly can. So we're gonna have a really large closet for our master. Basically, this whole back section of the home is gonna be a closet. And if I'm making a call between a larger bedroom or a larger closet, I'm gonna do a larger closet every time, because you can minimize what's in the bedroom, making your bedroom look cleaner. Just have the bed, some lamps, a night table, and then all your junk is put away in a closet. I would say a walk-in closet, again, is more important than a larger bedroom. That's a pro tip. And big bathrooms, walk-in showers. I always do oversized showers. You see these builders doing these little tiny showers. Screw that, don't do it. Big oversized showers. Raise the size or raise the height of your plumbing fixtures. Again, makes it feel luxurious. All these things do not increase the cost of your rehab at all, but will dramatically increase the desirability and the sellability of the finished product. And thinking about it now on the front end is the time to do it. So when the home is open up like this, now is the time to sit down and figure out a floor plan. I get full plans drawn out for all of my projects. I have an architect who comes in here, the expense is worth it, it keeps all my contractors in line, there's no guesswork in there, and I would highly, highly recommend, if you're doing anything more than just a real basic redo, to get an architect to draw out the plans for the house so you and your contractors know exactly what's going on. Using beams and using columns is another great way to open up spaces. If we're opening up these two rooms in here, a big area, we're gonna have to put a really large beam on the top of that. You can wrap it in old lumber like this, pull it off the side and wrap it around. It creates a really cool farmhouse style look. People love it today. Beams, columns, use it, open up your spaces, get your number of bedrooms and bathrooms correct, create spaces, living spaces that have flow, that have a nice living area. All of this will go in and dramatically affect the sellability of the house. And if you take the time, it's not gonna cost you any more money and you will have so much better project on the back end. Next time we should have framing, maybe even some sheetrock up here. We're gonna blow through this rehab. It's gonna be incredible. Look how big they did old windows back in the day. It's like a 6-foot tall window, super huge. Lots of bright, windows are great, windows and floor plans are great. This is gonna be such a cool project. This is one of my favorite projects to date, and we only just started it. Stay tuned.